Welcome to Codebooks Academy, where learning meets innovation. Dive into the world of software development and accounting with tutorials that bring subjects to life. Whether you're a budding developer, an aspiring leader, or a finance enthusiast, our tutorials are crafted to enlighten, empower, and entertain. With Codebooks Academy, you're not just learning, you're embarking on a journey of discover. Let's get started. Event-driven and non-blocking, which makes it efficient for handling concurrent requests. Security considerations cannot be overlooked. Choose technologies with strong security features and community support. Implement robust encryption for data storage and transmission to ensure the safety of all your data. Finally, consider scalability and reliability. Opt for technologies known for high availability and fault tolerance. You want your system to be as resilient as possible, ensuring it stays up and running even in the face of adversity. Before finalizing anything, always remember to prototype and test. Before finalizing the stack, prototype critical components to test performance under load. This gives you an opportunity to identify potential issues and bottlenecks, allowing you to make necessary improvements before going into production. Remember, every project has unique requirements, so tailor the choice of database and programming language to those needs, while keeping best practices in mind.
Continuous learning. Codebooks Academy. Thank you for watching.